July 25th, Monday morning meditation. Teamwork makes the dream work. Meditate on each component part of this one. Team, two or more people coming together to form one side in a game, sport, or endeavor. Work, to be engaged in physical or mental activity in order to achieve a result. Make, to construct or create by putting together components or ingredients. The dream, a cherished aspiration, ambition, or ideal. Work, proper or effective operation or functionality. People coming together to combine talents and achieve things beyond what they might alone. This week, acknowledge your team and teams, plural. Be grateful for their efforts to achieve your dreams. Make space to pinpoint new aspirations and targets, and assemble the group that will aid in the realization of these dreams. Give yourself to others as a willing and passionate teammate on their trek toward fulfillment. Dreams work when the team works. Get in the race.